Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to fix zoomed in camera problem in Snapchat. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. And if you find this video helpful, not forget to subscribe and leave a like. So first, we are going to follow this article here, and here we are going to find some solution or some tips that you can try to fix this issue. First, you will need just to check your internet connection since Snapchat is using only internet connection to start working and start posting your picture and stuff, it might be really an issue and that is lagging or glitching your camera on the app. Otherwise, you can simply start with the simple fixes or the obvious fixes and see if the problem persists or not. So you can try to restart the Snapchat app and then see if it can fix the problem, and if not, it might be also a cache problem. So you can go to your app, and after that you can go to the cache and start clearing the cache of the app. Also, you can check for Snapchat updates. So sometimes there are glitches that are on the application and you will be needing to wait for some updates to be done to fix such bugs or such glitches. And then you can go to the Play Store if you are using an Android, or you can do for an App Store by going to the App Store, and then you can find all the updates on the app that will be showing there. Also, there is a second fix that you can try is to restart your phone totally. You can also start changing the phone, or restarting the phone. That means like uh, shut it off completely and then uh, turn it on and then see if the problem persists. Otherwise, if the problem still persists, means that there is a problem with Snapchat itself and you will be needing to wait for some updates. Then you can update your phone, your application, and you will have your problem that will be solved. So basically that's it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.